Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given beautiful mass exponential problem. 4 raised to power x minus 1 over 2 raised to power x plus 1 minus 5 bracket 2 raised to power x is equal to minus 129. Can you solve this? I want you to give your answer in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation. This is 4 raised to power s minus 1 over 2 raised to power s plus 1 minus 5 bracket 2 raised to power x is equal to minus 129. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power m, and this is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m, then 4 raised to power s can be written as 2 square or to the power of s minus 1 over 2 raised to power s plus 1 minus 5 bracket 2 raised to power x is equal to minus 129. Now this 2 raised to power 2 or to the power of s can be written as 2 raised to power x all square minus 1 over 2 raised to power x plus 1 minus 5 bracket 2 raised to power x is equal to minus 129. Now with this is also 1 square, and this is different of 2 square. If you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then the numerator can be written as 2 raised to power s plus 1 bracket 2 raised to power s minus 1 over 2 raised to power s plus 1 minus 5 bracket 2 raised to power x is equal to minus 129. Now let 2 raised to power s is equal to y. This is y plus 1 bracket y minus 1 over y plus 1 minus 5 bracket y is equal to minus 129. This cancel this. We have y minus 1 minus 5y is equal to minus 129. Now here we have y minus 5y. This is minus 4y is equal to minus 129 plus 1. Minus 4y is equal to minus 130. Let us divide both sides by minus 4. This divided by minus 4, and this divided by minus 4. This minus 4 cancel this minus 4. Then this minus cancel this minus. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 32. Y is equal to 32. This is the value of y. But 2 raised to power s is equal to y. Then 2 raised to power s is equal to 32. Now 2 raised to power s is equal to 32 is 2 raised to power 5. Therefore, s is equal to 5. This is the value of s, and here Our answer is s is equal to 5. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.